Hi, it's John Hawkes here from Communication House. We've just got this ICOM in for repair. It's some IC-706 Mark 1. The customer is complaining of low power and getting strange readings on his frequency counter. And he's also told me this has been operated out of band. Now, there's a classic fault that appears with these radios in the low pass filters, which I suspect is the problem, but we'll carry on and do a bit more investigation. Okay, well let's get it transmitting. Okay, we're transmitting into a load, and according to this we're doing about 30 watts, and obviously the 706 should be delivering a lot more than that. That's on full power, but incidentally we're drawing about 12 amps. So we're not getting a very good conversion of RF for how much input power it's using. So again, that leads me to believe there's a fault in the low pass filter board. If you have a look at the frequency looks pretty much correct. Maybe it might have been a problem with this counter. On the spectrum analyzer here, we can actually see there's a lot of noise. If there's a lot of spurious emissions on there, that's your bass frequency, and these are all your harmonics. So I would definitely say there's something wrong with the low pass filter. So, well, let's get it apart and do some more investigation. Okay, we've got the filter board out. I've had a quick test on it, and I found some switching transistors that a switching transistor that isn't working properly. If we look on the diagram, that's here, which is Q8, which is a 2SC 4081, and it's located in this area on the board. I also suspect there's a problem with these little diode arrays. They're just doubled up. They're basically two diodes in one package, and they just go across the coil of each relay there, which obviously switches the relevant filters in, and they stop back EMF. So we're going to have a look at that, and also there's another one here which is there, which I suspect is a problem. But again, I can't really test these while they're in situ, obviously because of the relays in the boards, and also this is short circuit. So the first thing I'm going to do is remove this transistor. This transistor here, that's Q8, so that's the one we're going to remove. So I'll add a bit of flux on the board. Okay, that's removed. Okay, well, we've removed the transistor, we know that was gone, and we're looking at that D18. Zoom in, and we'll go blur for a second. But that's D18, that's the back EMF. You can see, it's had a bit of, you can see it's shot. That's the back EMF diode, which I believe is for this relay here. I'll just double check that, which is for the 50 meg 6 meter. That's clearly gone. What I'm going to do is remove these relays and check the diodes that are in between. Okay, well, we're going to fit a new transistor. Just apply a little bit of solder paste to the pads. Plugs in position. Let's apply some heat. Too much pressure. Okay, well, we've replaced, it's a bit difficult to do with the camera, replaced D18, I've tested that, that's all in place, and we've replaced this transistor here, if I can find it, there, which is, I think it's Q8, not sure. There's the transistor we replaced. Now I've tested these diodes in between these relays, which you can obviously see is removed. I've tested them out there, they're all good. Tested the relays, they're good, so all that's left to do is solder the relays back in, clean the board up, and put it back in the radio. Okay, that's the board now complete. Relays have all been fitted. See, we'll put a new diode in there, place the transistor there, it's soldered, it's all been clean, it's been cleaned with IPA, isopropyl. Now it's ready to go in the radio and give it a test. Okay, the filter board has now been reinstalled. Everything's been reconnected. Okay, we'll key it up. It's on FM, so we'll just be sending a note down, just a dead carrier. Okay, so we'll look on the spectrum analyzer. That's a lot cleaner. And what we'll do, just adjust the power. That's it there. Low, so let's bring it up, wind it up, let's do 100 watts, thereabouts, that's what we're supposed to do. Again, 100 watts, there are some little overtones there, but they're tiny, but that's running well. Okay, well, all that's left to do now is to just give it a few overall general checks. Okay, I've just basically gone through the radio now, and everything's functioning as it should be. I'm just doing a receiver test on it. I'm currently injecting minus 73 dBm, which is supposed to give us S9 on the meter. Slightly over, not too worried about that. And if we wind it down, hang on, sorry, I'm just in the wrong thing here. Let's put that back. So we set the RF gen. And if we wind this back to minus 60, that should basically be giving us a full scale, and it is, and that's without the preamp on. And we can just look at the overall sensitivity. Okay, put the preamp on there.
You can actually hear that if you have a look on the
test sound. We'll wind this back a touch. Yeah, about 120 and it starts bottoming out. That's fine. It's got a nice receive on it. Okay, well that concludes this radio. Anything left to do is screw it back together and send it back to the customer. Thanks for watching.